folks, this is Rob at Uftring Subaru, and this video is going to go over the power windows, the door locks, and your side view mirrors. You'll notice your two front windows have an automatic feature that's a simple one touch up and one touch down, and then your two rear windows are standard operation. You also have a window lock here, so if there's kids in the back seat, you can take away their ability to play with the windows. Your lock button is located directly behind your side view mirror adjustment. And finally, your side view mirror adjustment is really pretty simple to operate. You'll twist to the left to select your driver's side mirror, twist to the right to select your passenger side mirror, and once you've selected a mirror, simply use the toggle up, down, left, and right to adjust either of your mirrors.